I was walking in the mall one day, seen this beautiful chick coming down my way. She and her friends and just got through shopping. It's time for me to get it on and poppin'. So I took one step, I was lost for words, and I didn't know what to say because my mind's a blur. But all I knew I had to get that first before somebody tried to get with her. Because her body was perfect. Yeah, that look that she had in her eyes telling me I'm worth it. So I stepped up to let mama to show 'em what I'm working with. It's you I'm trying to include. I'm saying to myself, girl, won't you boo? I gotta figure out what to do before she time is running out and I gotta kill a chance to get with her. That this shot is for me and I can't let another get my girl. Now she's sold out, 'cause opportunity reveals itself. She for no one else.
Why?
She's sold out, she's sold out. Yeah, lady shout is mine. Oh, yeah. 2 days later we been kicking it. Gotta feel a little bit, got me all up into it. Not trying to get intimate, feeling it. Shorty, I've been dealing it. I'm trying to play my cards right. 19, baby, you can say I'm grown now. I'm on over to my feet, that's where it's going down. You the main thing I've been searching for a while. I'm just glad you came around because her body was perfect. Yeah, that look that she had in her eyes telling me I'm worth it. So I stepped up to let mama show 'em what I'm working with. It's you I'm trying to include. I'm saying to myself, girl, won't you boo? I gotta figure out what to do before she time is running out and I gotta kill a chance to get with her. That this shot is for me and I can't let another get my girl. Now she's sold out, 'cause opportunity reveals itself. She for no one else.
Why?
She's sold out, she's sold out. Whoa. You are mine.
Baby, listen. She got a face and a body like, whoa. Niggas be looking at her, but she says no. Yes indeed, 'cause she know I'm what she needs. And if you tryna get it hit, you gotta roll with me. And yo, she show is off the Richter, 'cause she's the only addition left, and man, I got her.
Time is running out and I gotta kill a chance to get with her. That this shot is for me and I can't let another get my girl. Now she's sold out, 'cause opportunity reveals itself. She for no one else.
Why?
She's sold out.